So how can you search for and find the story filters on Instagram? Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. So please follow up with me. First, we need to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have your Instagram app updated to the latest version. If it's not, just tap on the update button right here and wait for it to be updated. Now, once it is updated, we open Instagram and tap on the plus button in the bottom of the screen right here. Once you do that, you'll be taken here, tap on Story, and then swipe from these filters right here until you reach the end of the list or the end of the filters. Once you're close to the end, tap on this button right here. You'll find a lot of filters that you can try from right here in this big list, but if you want to search for more, tap here in the search icon and then type any word that you want. I'm just gonna try to search for love filters, and basically you can find any filters like that on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.